guys, today I'm going to do something kind of different. Sorry about the dogs, they're barking. Outside, I'm at my grandma's house right now. It's not focusing. Focus? Okay, good. I'm going to see if I can make a giant slime bubble. Okay, so let's get started. Dogs, stop it. Yes, Miles, stop barking. Okay, back. So right now, those are the neighbor's dogs, not mine. I don't have dogs. Right now I have this one. I've been playing with it for a little while. It's green. It's kind of sticky, but it comes off your hands pretty easy. Yeah. But this one I have right here, disguised. It is blue. Hold on, I'm gonna go focus. Okay. Grandma, can you let him outside?
What?
Can you let him outside?
I can't, I'm busy.
Okay, I'm gonna go let the dogs outside. I will be right back.
I can't just do the dogs and the food and everything.
Okay, I'm back. And I have this one. It's kind of hard, but look, it's clear. Don't mind my nail right here, it got broken. It's kind of hard, but this one I know for sure does not make a bubble because it won't stick and this doesn't have a bubble, but it's good just to play with. Let me put it back in here. Okay, but so basically, the only slime that will make a bubble is this one. So let's try it. Oh, that didn't really make a big bubble. Kinda though. It was kind of a bubble. Okay. This is really good stuff. Hold on, let me move all the pens and pencils. That was just from doing my homework. Okay, there we go. Oh, you guys saw that. Almost. We're gonna see, it gets sticky sometimes, but don't mind me just trying to get the slime off my hands. Okay, here we go. One. Oh, that was so big. I've never made a slime bubble that big. Wow, that might be our biggest one so far. Let's keep trying. Let's see if we can make a bigger one like that's this big. Let's keep trying, shall we? Let's see how big we can make this bubble. Ooh, it was like a flash of a bubble. Hold on, let me just get the slime. Okay. Okay. So far that other one was the biggest. Okay, let's try again. Ooh, that was good. That was good. That was a good one. Not as good as the other one. I'm trying to beat my high score right now of slime bubbles. This is like the stretchiest slime I have. Oop. This is like the stretchiest slime I have, but also the stickiest. Well, not the stickiest. I have other really sticky one that I don't really play with that much. But this is by far the stretchiest. can help doing that, but I regret it now. Alrighty then. Oh no, I regret this. I should have just let it go down. But instead, are you kidding me? Oh, man. Oh, and if you guys are wondering why I haven't been posting very lately, it's because it's stuck to the mat. I haven't been posting very much because I have school, because winter break is now over. But I might still be posting often if I'm done with my homework and I have free time. But you guys in the comments, let me know what should I do next. I might do it, or I might just do something completely random. It's still stuck to the mat. I don't know if you guys can see. It's stuck to my fingers as well, but I think we'll continue. Let me get this off. Well, it's coming off easy. It's coming off good. Yeah. Okay, we're good. Let's see if we can make another big one. And from now on, I'm not gonna pop it like that. I know whenever are you kidding me? I know whenever I watch slime videos, I always want to play with the slime that they have. Because it looks so fun to play with. Whoa. Oh, it popped. Dang it. Okay, let me try to make a bigger one. I'll start from here so I could go right here. Okay, let's see here. That wasn't anything. I just slapped the table with slime. Okay, so right now, let's see. Ooh, that was a pretty decent one. And it's, whoa, that was cool. Okay, now I'm gonna see if it pops. No, not very much. Sometimes it does. Let me scoot my chair up for a little bit so I'm more in the camera. Here we go. Okay. Make sure to smash that subscribe button and hit the thumbs up button, and then click the bell once you click the subscribe button, because it turns gray. Whoa, oh, Bowser's whining. I gotta go let him in. Be right back.
Huh?
I'm back. Bowser, what do you want? He's like so small. I had to show him to you. Whoa, that was cool. I don't know which one's bigger. I think the other ones were like the same size. The two big ones that would stay like that, but the longest one was like the decent one that we just did a while back. There's some slime right here. There you go. Okay. Let us see if we can make a bigger one. Oh no, I already messed up. Okay, here we go. Oh. That was like a flash of bubble. The thing thing is that this cleans off of the table really easy. What I used for this slime, I actually made this on Halloween, which was a pretty long time ago because I went to the high school, the JA high school, because I go to Jefferson Academy, so I went to the JA high school and we had like a little party there. It was pretty fun. I won like a cake playing one of the games, and then you just went trick-or-treating, going in and out of the classrooms. It was pretty fun. And then in one room they had a station where you could make that wasn't good. They had a station where you could make slime. So if you want to make this, it actually used to be hard at first, but then I let it sit for a while. For a while, I mean like a month, or a month, maybe a couple weeks. I don't really know. And then I played with it, and then it was just good. But how? How I made this is with borax glue, obviously. There's glue, not clear glue, white glue, and then it's green, so I used green food dye. I don't have green food dye at home. I just use it there. And then I used borax, green food dye, contact solution, and that was it. It was pretty easy. Oh no, you can't, if you want to make a slime bubble, you can't do it like that, or else, let me see how you shouldn't do it, because then it just goes like that. How you should is just grab the whole backside, and then it does that. Ooh, will I regret it? Nope, I won't. Maybe on like spring break or like the weekends or something, I can make a video where I have like my friends in it. I already have had 2 videos with friends in them. One of them a while back was with my friend Liam, Destiny, Brendan, and that was it. We did the 3 marker challenge. The other one was with my friend Vanam. Let me make a poop. I didn't make one. Was it with my friend Vanam, and we did the 3 marker challenge ish. The other one was like the 3 crayon challenge. The other one was like 3 marker challenge ish, because we used like 4 or 5 markers. We weren't really keeping track of the markers, and we didn't cover our eyes. I don't know, we just lost track. It was just cold outside, so we tried to make it as short as possible. Ooh. I could only do it with one finger now. That's what I know. That's what I learned from this video. I could only use one finger to pop the slime bubble, or else it gets all stuck to my hands. Not like that, but worse. Ooh, is this bouncy? I'm gonna see if this is bouncy. I don't want to roll it into a ball like that, because then it gets stuck to my hands. I gotta kind of act fast, or maybe I can. That's kind of bouncy, right, Bowser? Yes, his name is Bowser because he's from Mario. He is really cute though. He does not. He actually is not fierce like Bowser and Mario. He is like the quiet little guy that never barks. But when he does bark, it's huge and it scares you. Yeah. Let's see. I just slapped the slime against the table. Okay, guys, it's for you. Comment your name below so I could see, so I could just give shout outs to people in the comments. And so, hold on real fast. This goes out to you. If I make a bubble, I will go like this. It goes out to you. whatever your name is. Joe. I don't know. Ah, it's all over my hands. Ah, once again. What did you guys do for Christmas? I, however, for Christmas, got a hoverboard. It's really cool. I left it at my house because right now I'm at my grandma's house. I left it at my house, but I should show it in one of my videos. Like, just be like a video of me like talking riding my hoverboard. I don't know. You guys say in the comments what I should do with my hoverboard. That wasn't a very good one. This slime is it getting less sticky? I don't think so. Okay, this is the bag. Maybe I could get more slime out of here. Only like that much. Well, I mean, I'm gonna put it back in the bag anyways. Let's try to make a slime bubble, even though I said we probably couldn't and I tried it earlier. Let's try again. Maybe it's better. Probably won't be. Oh no, I'm gonna get green slime and this blue clear slime. This was with clear glue I made. It's not stretchy that much because it breaks and it's not sticky. That's a good thing, I think. Looks like an ocean, doesn't it? Have you guys ever watched Moana? It kind of looks like the waters. That's Moana. Oh no. Okay, let's try to make a slime bubble. Oh no! I got my green slime in this pretty blue slime. And now I got my blue slime in this... I am just gonna put this away. I was going to try. Well, I will still, maybe. That's the best slime bubble we can make. It's just good for squishing it into the container. That's what it's good for. Life hack. You can sell slime at school for money. I've done it before. Well, not for money. But I keep slime through there. And then I got slime in return. I also do that with food at lunch too. I'll like have food in my lunch and then like trade food with someone else. And then for like trade my food, my healthy candy bars or something, or string cheese for better food. It's not focusing. Focus. There we go. Okay. One last time, because this has been a long video. I'm still gonna make bigger slime bubbles. Oh, that would have been so good if it didn't pop. Because you guys saw that. It was like, oof, like really big. Let me know in the comments if, I don't know if my mom will allow me to do this, but if you want me to try to make a slime bubble over myself with my friends. Let me know if you want me to do that. If this video gets, let's think of a good number, 12K likes, then I will do that. A slime bubble over me. Let's see here. Ooh. Okay, a couple more times. This is absolutely fun if you make slime that is super stretchy. Oh, that wasn't stretchy. Is super stretchy. There we go, that's better. And it is kind of sticky, or your slime is bubbly. Then you need to try this. It is so amazing and fun. Amazingly fun, I would say. I'll be in this video soon. What to talk about now? I don't know. was gonna say something. I forgot what I was gonna say though. Let me know what your emotions are in the comments. These are what my shirt says. Monday is kind of like, right now it's Monday. Tuesday is like, I don't know if you guys can see this. It's like, Wednesday is like, mad kind of. Thursday is like surprise. Friday is like yay. Saturday is like heart emoji, and then Saturday is just tired. Cause I'm not used to waking up so early because I've been on my winter break for like 2.5 weeks. Can't believe how long this video has been already. I might make another video later. Stay tuned if you want me to make another video later. But yeah, I think I should end this video with a big slime bubble.
What he's doing?
Let's end this video with a big slime bubble. Well, there's little bubbles, so I said big slime though. So let's end the video with a big slime bubble. And end the video with the big slime bubble. If it doesn't work this time, I might just end the video because it's been long. Oh man. Okay, that's fine. Just make sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notifications. That's a tricky word. And subscribe to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Bye guys.